Hi, George Williams, founder and CEO of Reliability X, here to talk about our next building block as part of our leadership domain. And our next building block is direction setting. Now, direction setting, you may say, well, we've already previously identified the mission, vision, and values as part of our cultural domain. So, what's the difference between setting that vision and direction setting? Well, direction setting is taking that vision and disseminating strategy across the organization that sets the tone for how will you achieve the vision by applying the mission inside all of the various departments. Now, if you are responsible for a single department, after you set your particular vision, mission, and values, you now have to set strategy. And you have various roles within your organization that are designed to execute against that strategy. Direction setting is how you ensure that those things are not overlapping, that people are within the scope and roles that they have in achieving the vision, mission, and by applying the values. Direction setting also makes sure that you utilize data-driven business decisions to set strategy for execution. And so as a leader, direction setting is ensuring that not only that you have a vision, mission, and set of values, but that the organization understands the role that they play in achieving that mission and seeking that further out vision. The organization then develops strategies within the roles and responsibilities of the scope that you have, whether it's a whole plant, the whole organization, or an individual department like maintenance and operations. So direction setting is the translation of vision and mission, utilizing the behaviors of values to develop a strategy for execution and ensuring everyone understands who was supposed to do what and who was responsible for what. Oh, phew, that's direction setting. Now, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time when we talk about our next building block within the leadership domain. Till then, make tomorrow better than today.